Hi everyone, my name is Kia and I work here at Smail Acura in Greensburg, and today I'm here to show you how to connect your phone to Wireless Apple CarPlay in the new 2022 MDX. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your Bluetooth is on in your settings, so just make sure that button there is green so that your phone can connect. And next you'll want to press and hold the voice command button, and then you'll see down here we have the hands-free link option, and also the same prompt is on the screen. So next you'll just tap this hands-free link option, and now you make sure the numbers are the same on your phone screen and on the vehicle screen, and if they are the same you press pair. So here you have the option to sync your contacts as well, so you press allow or don't allow, whichever you prefer. So now you can see that my phone is connected to the hands-free link. So here you have the option to either continue with just Bluetooth or continue with Apple CarPlay, so that's what we're going to choose. So on the screen here you just confirm that you want to allow the car to use Apple CarPlay. So with Apple CarPlay, obviously you can listen to your music, you have navigation options. Here we have Waze, which is a nice app for navigation. You get alerts along the road if there's construction or traffic ahead. You also have the option to make phone calls, which is a nice easy way to access that. And any apps that are compatible with Apple CarPlay you can access through here. So here we have your phone, your music, the Acura app, audiobooks, messages, settings, calendar, Spotify. Whichever apps are compatible will come up on the screen. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, or visit us right off Route 30 in Greensburg or at smailacura.com.